Hi everybody and welcome to First Time for Everything. Today we're going to try something that I've heard a little bit about, but I've never tried it before. It's the Trader Joe's turkey burgers, and these can be cooked either on the grill or in a pan with olive oil. So I'm going to cook them both ways and we'll see which one tastes the best. We look at the nutrition facts. We see the serving size is one burger, 180 calories, 10 grams of fat, 80 milligrams of cholesterol, 280 milligrams of sodium, 0 carbs, 0 fiber, 0 sugars. And we look at the ingredients. It's turkey, kosher salt, and rosemary extract. Looking at the cooking instructions, it's fairly simple. It just says cook the burgers on a preheated grill or in a frying pan with olive oil. So for about 6 to 8 minutes per side. So let's see how it is. Okay, I cooked it 6 minutes on one side, and now I've turned it over, and I'm going to cook it 6 minutes on the other side. It looks kind of nice and brown, but it does spatter all over the place, so I would highly recommend using a spatter screen. Alright, well, I turned it over, and it looks like the outer edge of it is pretty burned, but the middle is still not quite cooked all the way. So I've turned it back over and let that side cook a little bit longer. Okay, that should be it. I'm going to take the spatter screen off and take them out of put it on the plate here. So, wow, it feels really dry. But and the other side is pretty burned, so I don't know. I don't have a lot of hope for this, but we'll see how it goes. Along with the turkey burgers, I'm also going to try Trader Joe's broccoli and kale slaw, which I've never tried before. Let's take a look at the ingredients. So we look at the ingredients. We see that there's dried cherries, dried blueberries, slivered almonds, sunflower seeds, and a sweet and creamy slaw dressing. So when we look at the nutrition, we see it's 210 calories per 1.5 cup serving, 13 grams of fat, 5 milligrams of cholesterol, 150 milligrams of sodium, 20 grams of carbs, 3 fibers, and 14 grams of sugar. So it's not exactly a low sugar, low carb dish, but I'll try it anyway. So when we open up the package, we find there's the kale mix, the dressing, the sunflower seeds, and the dried blueberries. So all we have to do is put them all in there and mix it together, and then we'll eat it. So that's easy enough. I'll just cut this open, put that in there, cut open the sunflowers and almonds. Looks like there is in there. Put that in there. Cut open the dressing. Put that in. Alright, well, here's the finished product. I've got it with mustard, ketchup, and barbecue sauce. So I'm going to try cutting it up and try a piece with a little bit of each one and see which tastes better. Ooh, boy, that is dry. It doesn't look very appetizing. But we'll see. All right. First I'll try it with mustard. Well, it's actually better than it looks. It is a little dry, but it does taste like hamburger rather than turkey. If I didn't know it was turkey, I'd say it was hamburger. All right, I'm going to try it a little bit with ketchup instead. Yeah, it's not bad. It is burned pretty bad, but I'll try some with barbecue sauce. Actually, it's not bad with any of them. It really does taste like hamburger. It looks really dry, but and it is. But maybe that could be the way that I cooked it. So I'm going to give it 1 thumbs up, not 2, but I think it makes a pretty good alternative to a hamburger. All right, I've got the grill heated up. I'm going to try cooking them on the grill, or cooking one of them on the grill anyway. So here it is. I'm going to put it right there and cook it for 6 minutes per side. All right, that was 6 minutes. I'm going to turn it over and we'll give it 6 minutes on the other side. It doesn't look too burned or anything on that side, so we'll see how it looks after another 6 minutes. All right, that's been 6 minutes. So I'm going to turn it over just to see how it looks. It's got some nice little char marks on it there. I think I might give it maybe 1 more minute on the other side there, just to darken it up a little bit, and that should do it. All right, that should do it. I'll turn off the heat and take it off the burner. I'm just going to try it right on the plate here. And once again, I've got mustard, barbecue sauce, and ketchup, and plus I've got the kale salad. So I'm going to give this a try. Let's see how it is. Well, it's all done. So first thing I'm going to try is some of the kale salad. So I got a little bit of blueberry, sunflower seeds, almonds. Kind of sweet, but a little sour too, so very tasty. Not low carb though, but still, I think it's really good. And now here's a piece of the turkey burger. So it doesn't look like ground beef, and I don't think anybody's trying to make it look like ground beef, but let's see if it tastes like ground beef. So I'm dipping it into some ketchup, and I'm going to try a little bit. It's actually pretty good. It's a little bit drier than ground beef, but it doesn't taste like cardboard or anything like that. I would definitely get it again. I think maybe I might not cook it quite as long, but and I would definitely cook it on the grill. Don't cook it in the pan unless you want a big mess to clean up. But I would say it's definitely worth buying again. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more videos of people trying new things for the very first time, be sure to click on the subscribe button below. Or better yet, leave a comment under the video on the YouTube channel.
Also, if you click on the little bell below, you'll get notified when I post any new videos. So in the meantime, keep trying new things.